Safety talk number 100. Double insulation of power tools. Many of the tools we use in our workshops have double insulation. But what is a double insulated power tool? Can a metal body drill have double insulation? Does a double insulated tool need a 3-wire cord and a 3-prong plug? These are questions I often hear from many of you. Let's answer them briefly, so you can use these tools more effectively and avoid unnecessary accidents. Double insulated tools usually last longer, are lighter, and safer than metal-bodied tools. Low-power tools, like hand drills, are typically covered in non-conductive, shatter-resistant material. The on-off switch is also non-conductive, to protect the user from any contact with metal parts. For higher-powered tools, the design needs to be stronger. These tools often have a metal casing, but underneath the metal, there's a solid insulating layer that completely encloses the electrical components. So how can you identify a double insulated tool? The simplest way is by looking for the words double insulation or double insulated. Some American and European manufacturers use a square within a square symbol to show the tool is double insulated. In a double insulated tool, every part, inside and out, including the on-off switch, is designed to protect the user. The entire tool is built so that wear, heat, chemicals, or contaminants can't damage both layers of insulation at the same time. Double insulated tools do not require grounding wires, a 3rd prong, or a 3-wire plug. This is because the user is always protected from any part that could cause a short circuit. How can we make sure these tools stay safe? The simplest way is by inspecting them before and after each use. Check that the insulation is still in perfect condition. But only those who are trained or authorized should do this. Otherwise, the tool should be taken to maintenance. Despite what many people think, double insulated tools can still get damaged. They are not indestructible, even though they are built to handle rough use. Soaking them in water or exposing them to too much moisture can ruin the internal insulation. Frequent cleaning and proper handling will help keep them safe. One of the most neglected parts is the power cord. Never yank or pull the cord to unplug a tool. Always unplug it by pulling the plug itself. I've seen several of you doing this, and I've told you before, it's a habit we must break immediately. Keep cords away from sharp edges, excessive heat, solvents, and oils. Never damage the outer jacket of the cord, not even slightly. Both the cords and extension cables used with tools must be inspected frequently. And that doesn't just mean before or after a task, but also during use. Power tools are incredibly helpful. They save us time and effort. But when we use them carelessly, or fail to inspect them on time, they can cause serious injuries, even fatal electrocution.